guys, what's happening? We are back with episode 3. Honestly, the last time I tried this YouTube stuff I made like 1 episode, so I'm killing it in my eyes right now. But this week we are going to be putting in the interior, well the door cards at least. I got some off a guy on Facebook Marketplace, so going to get them on. It's just been brutal without them, you know. The rattling is just unbearable. Not that you could hear the rattles because there's no exhaust on it, but it wasn't exactly a nice experience, you know. You wouldn't want to take the missus on a Sunday drive on her, that's for sure. But yeah, let's have a wee look at this, see what you think, and yeah, get this put in. So right, here's the door cards. Look, it's got quite a nice wee retro look to them, I think. But all that, I actually need to still get the arm holder things, whatever you call them. But yeah, gonna get them in. I've actually got the guy gave me the seats as well, but I've already got like a leather seat there, so I think I'm gonna stick with the leather one. And I 100% know there's gonna be stuff missing. Like there's bound to be clips and stuff, but we'll just get cracking and see how it goes, you know. We'll figure it out along the way. Here we go. So I think this is going to be pretty easy. Look, it's just got, I can see clips here. I don't know, it looks like there was definitely, by the looks of it, something in there. But we'll see, we'll put it in and then we'll discover what we need to get. Or what we're missing. I wonder, does it matter the windows being in or not being in? I guess we'll find that out. Right, so that's in there. Oh, that's a good sound. Right, so it definitely looks like the windows have to be in. Is that it? Look, installed. 1. Now this is going to be a quick video. Right, so that's obviously pretty easy. I'm just going to clip these in then, because I think there might be a chance the windows have to be in, you know, but we'll see. So let's clip this one in. And the carpet in this as well is absolute garbage. I was online and bought like it was like custom E30 carpet, and it arrived and it's got to be one of the worst things ever. It's not like molded to the floor, so like look at this terrible job I done. Like, cause it wasn't molded, it was like I had to cut it in like the wrong places. I ended up cutting in, and it's half the carpet being crap and maybe more than half me not taking my time. But I'm guilty of that on everything, so. Now we'll get the deck on. So I'm gonna go with this. He's up here. This should be nice and easy. See, look, this has got clips there. Look, see in here, that's meant to go into that. So, but my great carpet job is sort of hindering that. So let's see. Come on. There we go. And the other side. Good noises. Good noises. Right, this is a bit of a fucker. For the average man. Here we go. Oh, maybe I do have to have this in. Yeah, I do. Cut the cameras! Cut the cameras!
Action.
Here we go. So we put the back in first. If we can get her in. Cammy, get your hand over there. Just let her down. Oh, watch my door card.
Callum.
What's that? Oh, right, easy. Oh, right. So we got that in. Back's in first, obviously. And then look, there's things over here. There's like a wee thing. A hook. That's the one. Lift that on, push her down. On we go, on to the next. We don't have a partial shelf either. We had one in the car originally, but for some reason we thought it would be, we were like, oh, we'll just get a new one. We'll get a new one of this, new one of that. Never ended up doing that, and now we're paying double the money than we would have. But there's the back end. Oh, I think that's got a kind of push in. There she is. That is the back seats in. Look at that. It's so much better now. What's that called? It's called Sutton Tooth. Dragon Tooth or something. It's not Dragon Tooth, but it's close. But yeah, so we don't need to do anything with the front seats. We've obviously got the bucket seats in here. Hold on a sec. So we've got the old Sparko seats in here. So there's obviously nothing getting done there. The dash is completely out right now. We are in the middle of putting in like the Willwood pedals and stuff. So it was just a lot easier to put that in without all the other stuff in. So we'll start with the driver's side. We'll give you the driver's side. What holds this up, I think, is like the cover for that, which I don't have. But this is what it's all about, figuring out what the hell we don't have and need. So right. Oh, I am now just finding out that I don't think I can actually put the fronts on. I need the hand thing. The thing that goes like that. I need that, which I don't have. So we'll just hang these here. Job is a good one. Oh, that's a nightmare. But look, we're living in real time on the Scotsman channel. There ain't no trickery of the cameras going on. Unfortunately. This will be a next month's project now. But look, it's going to look smashing. Oh look, it does sit there relatively nice. But I can, let me get this side on now. Right, so now I have to install this. This should take all of 5 seconds. There we go. Just like that, that's installed. We'll tape round the bottom and get some duct tape on there. I'm only joking. But that, ladies and gentlemen, was the interior install on the E30. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, next video, it's going to be a good one. We're going to be sanding all the rest of the car and getting it ready for primary, you know. So, but yeah, the next one's going to be good, so stay tuned for that one. Speak to you soon.